Good morning, my dear kids. Now, proceeding further in chapter 3, that is addition and subtraction. Now, we will move with subtraction. Right? So, what is subtraction? How to perform subtraction? That we are going to learn. The first statement, that is subtraction, is taking away some number or object from the group. Means what? Whenever you remove something from a group of certain things, then we are subtracting that thing. We are removing that thing. Simple. If there are group of 5 stars, right? Here you can see there are group of 5 stars. If I remove 2, means what? I am subtracting 2 star from the group. I am removing 2. રાઈટ શું કરું છું હું બે સ્ટાર્સ ને રિમૂવ કરી દઉં છું રાઈટ આ રિમૂવ કરી દીધા તો મારી પાસે કેટલા સ્ટાર્સ રહી ગયા ખાલી 3 સ્ટાર્સ રહી ગયા બરાબર so subtracting is what taking away some number or object અહીંયા આપણે object ની વાત કરી છે so I am removing these 2 stars from the group and you can see that only 3 stars remains right so in this format what we have done subtraction right second thing taking away a smaller number which type of number we are going to remove taking away a smaller number from a bigger number that is subtraction right for example 99 you can see that it is bigger number right from this bigger number what I am going to do I am going to remove a smaller number you can say that 9 is smaller number so I am removing the smaller number the answer will be 90 right so here what we have done that we have removed a smaller number from a bigger number બરાબર એટલે દીકરાઓ એ વસ્તુ યાદ રાખવાનું કે સબટ્રેક્શન એ હંમેશા bigger number માંથી smaller number ને remove કરવું શું bigger number માંથી smaller number ને remove કરશું so that is subtraction બરાબર સર હું 9 99 કરું ચાલે તો આ ની ચાલે બરાબર every time the smaller number is subtracted from bigger number બરાબર ચલો the number that is subtracted is called subtracted right the number that is subtracted means what our બે numbers છે right 99 minus 9 so which number is subtracted so here 9 is subtracted કોને subtract કરીએ છે આપણે 9 ને remove કરીએ છે so that will be your subtractant right that will be your subtractant right so we can say it is a smaller number એટલે કોણ smaller number એટલે subtractant right clear થયું then the number from which we subtract is called minuends right સામાન્ય subtract કરતા છે તો we are subtracting from 99 so this 99 will be your minuends समझ पड़े and minuends will always be a bigger number minuends એ કેવો નંબર હશે that will be a bigger number right minuends will be a bigger number and lastly the result of the subtraction is called difference right what is the result 9 minus 9 0 nothing is there 9 minus 0 9 so that is your difference and you can see that difference is smaller than minuends and greater than subtractant સમજ પડે છે શું કેમ છે તે જે મારો ડિફરન્સ આવે છે 90 એ કોના કરતા નાનો minuends કરતા નાનો બટ કોના કરતા મોટો subtractant કરતા મોટો so what we can say that from the result that difference is હજુ બી એક વસ્તુ આપણે ડિરાઈવ કરવાના છે. Now if I add subtractant and difference, right, what we are going to do, we are going to add, what we are going to add, we are going to add addition of, કોને એડ કરીએ તો difference, addition of difference and subtractants is addition of these two. Now try to add these two. Difference શું છે આપણી પાસે 90, subtractant શું છે 9, બંનેને એડ કરો શું આન્સર આવ્યો 99. What is 99? It is minuends, right? So we can say that addition of difference and subtractant is minuends. બરાબર સમજ પડે શું કેમ છું તે તમારે આ કાળજી રાખવાની કે જ્યારે હું ડિફરન્સ અને સબટ્રેક્ટન્સ ને એડ કરીશ મારો આન્સર મિન્યુએન્સ આવવો જોઈએ. મિન્યુએન્સ આવી જાય means our subtraction is true, right? So let's try to solve few of the sums related to the subtraction. Next one, let's try to solve the examples. The first one, subtract 2 3 3 5 4 2 from 5 8 7 6 5. Now dear students, right, subtraction is always carried out from bigger number. Means what? Whatever you want to minus that thing, first you have to look out for the bigger number. Means what? A smaller number is always subtracted from bigger number. So here dear students, from is given to you, right? It is a very dangerous word, from. Right? So whenever the from is given to you, you have to keep in mind this second most number will appear first. The second most number છે તે પહેલા આવી જશે, right? Here when from is given to you, right, the second most number will appear first. Baba, or how you can remind, so among these two number which one is bigger, try to find the bigger number. So I can say that 5876 53, that is bigger rather than this number. So that bigger number I have to write first, that is 5 8 7 6 5 3, the bigger number, and we are familiar about bigger number, that is minuends, right? Minus, subtraction means what? Subtraction means minus. Now what we are going to subtract? We are going to subtract the smaller number. Again for our safetyness, we will write from back side. So 2 4 5 3 3 2, and we are very familiar about, it is also known as subtractants. Baba, they are known as subtractants. Right? Let's try to subtract the number. Let's try to subtract the number. Now starting with the last one, 3 minus 2, that is 1. 5 minus 4, again 1. 6 minus 5, again 1. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 8 minus 3, what is 8 minus 3? That will be 5. And 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So this is your difference. It is known as difference. समझ पड़े? Subtraction is very easy. We are removing something, right? So what we are removing? Removing 2. From where? From 3. So here is 3. Remove 2. It will be 1. So 3 minus 2, that will be 1. Similarly 5 minus 4, that will be 1. Right? Then 6 minus 5, that will be 1. Right? 7 minus 3, that will be 4. Right? Then 8 minus 3, that will be 5. And finally 5 minus 2, that will be 3. Right? So in this way we can subtract the number. But be careful, the bigger number will appear first. બરાબર, આટલું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે સબટ્રેક્શન માં મોટો નંબર પહેલા લખવાનો. રાઈટ, ચાલો again subtract 13705 from 58132. So here you can see that again from is there. From means what? We have to write backside number first. So that will be 58132. Right? આ બધું પાછું લખવાની જરૂર નથી. Minus 50731. Chalo, let's try to subtract. So 2 minus 1. We cannot subtract anything from 2. Right? 2 માંથી 5 minus થશે નહીં થશે. So what we are going to do? Now we are going to borrow something. What we are going to do? We are going to borrow from these two. These 3. So these 3 will become 2 and these 12 will be 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 5, that will be 7. Chalo. 2 minus 0, that will be 2. 1 minus 7, not possible. So carrying 1 from 8, so 8 will become 7 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7, what will be 11 minus 7? That will be 4. 7 minus 3, again it will be 4 and 5 minus 1, again 4. So this will be your final answer. बराबर, जो कोई स्मॉलर नंबर से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, तो what we have to do? We have to just borrow one digit, one number from the number that is before the smaller number. Chalo. Find difference. Again, what we are going to find? Difference. Difference means we have to subtract the number. So how to find difference? Now here two numbers are given to you. 42819, 13429. Now among these two numbers, which one is greater? That you have to identify first. First try to identify which number is greater. So here I can say that 42819, that is greater, right? And from this greater number, which number we are going to subtract? चलो बोलो, कौन नंबर આપણે subtract કરશું આમાંથી? Yes, we are going to subtract 13429. And for our safetyness, what we are going to do? We are going to write from back side. So 9 2 4 3 1. Right? Chalo. Now try to subtract all the numbers. 9 minus 9, that is 0. 1 minus 2, oh, it's not possible. So carrying 1 from 8, so 8 will become 7 and this will become 11. That is you can take a set, right? Because we are borrowing the number from the different places. Chalo. 11 minus 2, what will be 11 minus 2? It will be 9. 7 minus 4, that will be 3. 2 minus 3, not possible. So again we are going to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3 and this will become 12. 12 minus 3, that will be 9 and 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 29,390 will be your final answer. Right? Chalo. Again find the difference. Chalo. Try to find out which one is greater. 7 lakh or 4 lakh. So we can say that this 7 is greater. So first I am going to write that number. 7 8 4 2 0 9 minus, for our safetyness we will write from back side. 8 0 7 8 2 and 4. Chalo. Now let's try to subtract each and every digit. 9 minus 8, that is 1. 0 minus 0, that will be 0. Chalo. 2 minus 7, we can't subtract. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7, so that will be 5. 12 minus 7 will be 5. 3 minus 4. Again it is not possible. So from 8 I am going to borrow 1. So 8 will become 7 and adding 1 means adding 10 to the number. So it will become 13. 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? So again it will be 5. 7 minus 2, 5. And 7 minus 4, that will be 3. So 3,55,501 will be your final answer, right? So in this way we can subtract the number. Next thing, now here the heading is checking subtraction by addition. Means what, dear students, that the difference that we get by subtracting the number, they are right or wrong, that we have to check whether the answers are correct or not. The simplest way to check is by addition. Now how to do that? Right? How to do that? So here we are very familiar that the first one number, the greater number, it is known as minuends. The second number, it is known as subtractance, and this is the difference. Right? Now, to check whether the answer is correct or not, whether the answer is correct or not. To check whether the answer is correct or not, right? What we have to do, we have to add, difference, we have to add difference and subtractance, right? We have to add difference and subtraction whose sum must be, whose sum આવેલું જે sum જે આન્સર આવે, it must be minuends, it must be minuends. જો minuends મળી જાય તો આપણો આન્સર સાચો, જો નહીં મળે તો આપણો આન્સર ખોટો. Let's solve the first one, right? The first one, solution, right? First one. So let's try to add that. So 3, 8, 2, 5, 3 plus, this is your difference, plus 5, 0, 3, 9, 4. This is your subtractance, right? Now try to add the number. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 5, that is 14. 3, 5 and 1, 6. Here 8 and here 8. Is it so? Is it so? Is it same as minuends? Let's check it out. 8, 8. 6, 6. 4, 4. 7, 7. Okay, fine. It is minuends. Therefore, our answer is correct. Answer કેવો થઈ ગયો? Correct થઈ ગયો. કેમ? કારણ કે difference and subtractance નું addition કર્યું ને મને મળ્યું minuends, right? એટલે આપણો answer સાચો છે. બરાબર? ચાલો. Solution second. Let's try to solve the second one. Right? ચાલો. 1, 3, 5, 3, 8, 4. Right? Again you can say this is your difference, plus, try to add another one, 0, 1, 4, 2, 7, 4, This is your subtractance, right? Let's try to add 4, 8. This will be a 15. Carry on 1. 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6. And 9. This will be a 4 and 1. Right? Let's try to compare with minuends. Right? 1, 4, 9. Here is 5 and here is 6, which is not equal to minuends, which is not same as minuends. Minuends જેવું સેમ નથી. બરાબર ને? મારો minuend સેમ આવવો જોઈએ. પણ મારો minuend સેમ આવ્યો સેકન્ડ સમ માં ના આવ્યો. બરાબર? Therefore, what we can say there? Answer is incorrect. Answer is incorrect. Answer મારો ખોટો છે. કેમ? કે એ minuend જેવું આવ્યું નહીં. સમજ પડે? તો આને આપણે a સપોઝ કરીએ. આપણે ફોર્મ્યુલા બતાવીએ. Right? Now consider that is A, this one is B and C. So for any numbers A, B and C, कोई भी नंबर ले लिए A, B and C. जो A minus B is equal to C, A minus B is equal to C, right? Then if C addition B and C in addition, if C plus B is equal to A, C plus B is equal to A, then answer is correct. Then answer is correct. બરાબર? આ બે નંબરનું એડિશન કરશું તો મને A મળવો જ જોઈએ. A મળી જાય તો મારો આન્સર સાચો. સમજ પડે? સમજ પડે? A minus B is equal to C. Then if C plus B is equal to A થઈ જાય તો મારો આન્સર સાચો. This is known as checking with the help of addition. Now let's see the quick check. First one, is it possible to subtract any two number? Yeah, subtraction is possible. And always get an answer which is either 0 or more than that number. See here, what is used always? Always means what? હંમેશા 0 મળે કાં તો મોટો મળે એવું કહે છે. Let's see the answer. For example, 24 minus 14. What is 24 minus 14? That is 10. બરાબર? And you can see it is less than. Answer તમારો બંને કરતા નાનો આવે છે. બરાબર? 99 minus 9. શું આવ્યું? 90. તો એક કરતા મોટો અને બીજા કરતા નાનો. તો એવું તો પોસિબલ નથી. બરાબર ને? ઓલવેઝ બધું પોસિબલ છે. અહીંયા બે એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. એકનો આન્સર બંને કરતા નાનો આવે છે. અને અહીંયા એકનો આન્સર એક કરતા મોટો અને બીજા કરતા નાનો. ને હું આવું કરું 9 minus 9 એ તો 0. તો શું મને હંમેશા 0 મળે છે? ના. So it is not possible. એટલે મારો આન્સર શું આવશે? yes or no ના ફોર્મમાં છે. I think so question. yes and no ના ફોર્મમાં છે. So my answer will be no. આ પોસિબલ નથી. હંમેશા 0 મળે એ વાત ખોટી. ચાલો નેક્સ્ટ. Difference of two 5-digit number is always 5-digit number. Chalo, difference of two 5-digit number. Let's take one 5-digit number as 55555 minus. Again, let's take one 5-digit number as 54444. Try to subtract 1 1 1 1 and 0. Is it 5-digit number? This is 5-digit number, right? Chalo. Then again, this is also 5-digit number. And if I subtract, you can say it is 4-digit number. બરાબર અહીંયા 5 ડિજિટ નંબર છે વેલિડ અહીંયા બી 5 ડિજિટ નંબર છે વેલિડ but the answer is always 5 digit number is it so a possible નથી so again it will be no જે possible નથી so no ચાલો now here it is given you can difference of 6 digit number be 5 digit number ચાલો બે 6 digit number ले लिए 8 8 8 8 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus again we have to take 8 3 3 3 3 3 so you can say that 5 5 5 5 5 and 0 saying a 0 so this is 6 digit number this is also 6 digit number and the difference is 5 digit number so here can is given to you can sometimes it is possible so yes sometimes we will get a 5 digit number a possible check can એટલે sometimes બરાબર ચાલો again can the difference of 5 digit number and a 6 digit number be 5 digit number let's take one example 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 3 3 4 3 4 4 5 right let's try to subtract and let's see what will happen so here 1 1 0 0 not possible so this will become 12 and 8 yes 6 digit number હતો તેમાંથી 5 digit number ને subtract કર્યું ને મારી પાસે 5 digit number આવે છે તો yes again sometimes it is possible કોઈક વાર એ possible છે ને અત્યારે જ આપણે જોઈને આવ્યા કે કોઈક નંબર આવતા હોય a b and c are three numbers if first one a minus b is equal to c right હવે આપણે અત્યારે જ શીખી ગયા કે a minus b is equal to c a minus b is equal to c તો આનો મીનિંગ શું કે b plus c કરું તો મારો આન્સર a આવવો જોઈએ જો આવું આવે તો સમ મારો સાચો પણ જો આવું નહીં આવે તો સમ મારો નથી સાચો તો a minus b is equal to c and b plus c not equal to a not equal to a then the subtraction has done incorrect see equal to એટલે correct but not equal to છે એટલે incorrect તો આ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ટ્રુ છે કે ફોલ્સ છે તો yes the statement is true કે જ્યારે બી ત્યાં not equal to આવે તો એ મારો આન્સર incorrect થઈ જશે right and the last one if a and b both are greater a અને b બંને ગ્રેટર છે કોના કરતા c કરતા તો a માંથી c ને સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો કે b માંથી c ને સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો બંને સરખું જ થવાનું તો આન્સર will be true it is true right જો બે નંબર મોટા હોય તો કોઈમાંથી બી માઈનસ કરો મને કઈ ફેર પડશે નહીં right so this is all about subtraction right okay bye